Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this nice 2017 Infiniti Q60 Premium Plus all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We acquired this off-lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services. It's a local one-owner clean Carfax off-lease vehicle. In fact, we leased it new at our store. Beautiful shape inside and out. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. All it needs now is a new home. 37,038 miles at the time I'm making this video. We even have the original build sheet on it. When this was new, it had an original MSRP of $54,405. It's always good to read the fine print because the base MSRP is $46,300. So this has $10,000 more in equipment than the base one. And on paper, like if you're looking at photos and the vehicle is not marketed right, they can look very similar. But maybe you might see one that might be priced $2,000 in the next one, but if that one that's $2,000 more than the other one has $10,000 more in equipment, I think that's a pretty good, reasonable deal. So like I said, it's always good to pay attention to the fine print. As far as Infinitis go, you can always ask us. It's easy for us to pull these build sheets with the VIN number. Even if you're not buying one from us, we're happy to help our video viewers make a educated decision on their next pre-owned Infiniti. So this has the semi-inline leather seating. Leather is standard, leather is optional. $1,350 option to the upgraded leather. Then we have the driver's assistance package. That was a $2,250 option, giving you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection, front and rear parking sensors, around view monitor, backup collision intervention. So if you're backing up, it'll automatically hit the brakes if it sees a sizable object behind you, and rain sensing wipers. And the Premium Plus package was $3,200, giving you navigation, Navi synced adaptive shift control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, power tilt telescoping steering column, and dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, memory mirrors, and steering column settings. Pretty cool stuff. And of course, we can give you a copy when you come in. Beautiful leather interior, a nice color combination, black on black. So we have a drive mode selector here. That'll make changes to steering, transmission shift points, throttle and traction stability control settings. All that cool stuff is personal, sport, standard,